You said, I mean, we were talking earlier as well on our show. It's insane. I mean, it's like a nation state masquerading as a company at this point. But that said, I did go back and look at sort of the CapEx spent for the oil companies in 2013 or the telecom companies in 2000. And as a percent of income or revenues, however you want to slice it, this number doesn't come in as an outlier. It's sort of right in line with what we saw at peak spending in those cycles as well, Brent.
Yeah, I'm not an oil guy, but I just say that. Again, I think the ROI, when everyone says, well, what's the ROI? How can you have certainty? Both Google and Microsoft have accelerated revenue and effectively improved margins. When you look at what we've seen so far, when you would think about this big investment at the beginning of the cycle, and the CEO of ARM was talking about this, that we're still early, everyone in the industry is saying the same thing. You look at what's already paid off. It's not like this is like the internet boom and pets.com and Webvan where you're seeing huge losses. You're seeing margins and trajectory of revenue improving. And that's proof that it's working. And then every major board across the globe, this is number one topic. It was never Bitcoin. It wasn't cloud. It wasn't, Web3. Pick your tectonic shift. No one was talking about those until like years after. Every board globally, this is number one objective. And so, I think I don't want to overhype this. I think, again, it's going to be bigger. And I think Sarah said this well at the beginning of the show on jobs. I mean, it's really scary. I have 2 kids in college, and I'm scared. I think we're scared for the new graduates. I know the CEO of IBM has said we're going to hire more new graduates than we have in the last 10 years this year. But I think everyone is bracing. This is starting to have an impact. You can already see it in the job numbers. You can see it in the hiring numbers. And you can see it in the tech numbers right now.
Yeah, I mean, coming off of the data this week, as we said, ADP challenger, but this jolts number 2. And just looking at unemployment rates, Brent, of people who are about the age of your kids. I mean, the jump in that unemployment rate looks material.
Yeah, and I think you see it in all the companies we cover. They're hiring fewer people. So look at Workday. They just laid off another 2%, but they say they're going to hire them all back. I think the street's not viewing that today as a positive sign, because their software's tied to the number of employees. So again, I cover half software and some of the internet names. All the software names are getting crushed because of what's going to happen with AI. We're going to have fewer people. That's a seat-based model. What happens to the economics of the software industry? We're in a really interesting moment. I think it's probably oversold. We're probably over-exaggerating what OpenAI and Anthropic are going to do to them. But we're at a moment right now. I've never seen this in 20 years plus doing this. The amount of skepticism and negativity on tech is ultra high. And there's only a few names I think our investors want to be involved with, which are these big platforms that are for sure going to benefit. That is Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta.
Yeah. Brent, appreciate it. Good discussion and plenty more to come. Brent Thill over at Jefferies.